Today marks 5 years since Arizona Senator John McCain died from glioblastoma. That is a rare and deadly form of brain cancer. I went to the Ivy Cancer Center to see how treatments and outlooks for patients have changed in the last 5 years.
And sure enough, he clipped up to this, this light and saw this big white thing. And he goes, "You have a brain tumor." And I still remember it to this day, and it just sucks the wind out of your lungs. And I have what? I have my whole life in front of me.
Heather Neese will never forget the start of her brain cancer journey. Like so many patients, quickly becoming studied in her diagnosis.
They're educated, they understand what they're facing, they know that what has been tried before them hasn't worked. And so that's where clinical trials and experimental therapies come in.
Dr. Sinai at the Ivy Brain Tumor Center is realistic about what brain cancer patients are up against.
Developing drugs for brain cancer patients is an uphill battle. It's not that pharmaceuticals and biotechs don't want to help. It's just that the market size for brain cancer patients is far smaller than it is for other cancer patients.
He says that's where trials come in.
And in the last 5 years, the Ivy Center has introduced more new early phase clinical trials than any center in the country. And we're leading the field in trying new therapeutics in these patients and clever ways of getting them there. Because sometimes it's not just about the drug you're giving, but whether it's getting to the tumor itself.
Getting to the tumor through an IV in the wrist, threading a microcatheter up the wrist, up the arm, past the heart, through their neck vessel to the very base of the tumor.
And then at that moment, with this catheter dock there, we release an agent that opens up what's called the blood-brain barrier, which is this protective lining that prevents drugs from getting into the tumor. And then when it's open, that's when we flood it with the new drug. And so this has been a revolution for us in terms of getting new drug in. It's increased the amount of drug we get into a tumor by up to 250-fold.
Through the wrist.
That's right. This happens through the wrist.
This delivery method is in trials, but Dr. Sinai calls it a game changer. Its progress patients like Heather, who was given 6 months to live in 2006, are so very grateful for.
I am better than I could ever be. Yep, I'm very grateful that I have my health.
And today, she's using her voice to help others.
I just want to encourage them that you don't have to be a statistic. You can be the outlier.
Heather's a total inspiration there. Since John McCain's death, it may feel like glioblastoma. We're hearing it so much more, that it is more prevalent. Dr. Sinai says no, it is just more awareness out there about it, not true prevalence. By the way, John McCain's son, Andy, serves on the center's board of directors still to continue to raise that awareness. And back to Heather, she is supporting other cancer patients through her webpage. We've linked that on our story, but she's using her voice to make sure others who are going through this just don't feel so alone.
They are doing some amazing work
Awesome
at the Ivy Brain Tumor Center. I featured a story with Jen Ortiz a couple months back, and it's amazing, especially when they give them that diagnosis, tell them this is how much you could potentially live for, and they surpass that by leaps and bounds because of their research and what they do.
The goal is to always be an outlier and then have others follow in the same suit and be able to somehow get this thing under control.
Great story.